Alrighty. Back to finding the distance from a point to a line. Last step, step 5, is to find the distance from the point of intersection to the original point here. So remember, we're trying to find the point, the distance from this point to this line here. And so we had to draw a line that went perpendicular to this line through this point, find the intersection of those two lines, and once we found that intersection right here, then we had to find the distance from that intersection to that point. So this is a straightforward, although complicated, distance formula problem. We've got let's see, negative 64 over 13 minus our x-coordinate from up here, which is negative 4, so that turns out to be like a plus 4 squared, plus negative 5 over 13 minus 7 squared. And again, I'm not going to try and do all this by hand. That would just be insane. We're just going to let the calculator do all the work. I'm going to go second square root. So I get my square root thing out there. That's the x squared button here. Notice it opens up some parentheses. Everything that's underneath that square root over here is all got to be wrapped up in a set of parentheses. So I need to open a separate set of parentheses for this first expression here. Now I have negative 64 over 13. So negative 64 ABC 13 plus 4. Close out those parentheses. Put our squared in there. Plus, open up a new set of parentheses right here. We've got negative 5 ABC 13 minus 7. Then we'll close out those second set of parentheses right there. Hit our squared button right there. And then remember, everything that's underneath this bracket is all wrapped up inside one big set of parentheses, so we have to also close that out. And then hit enter. We get 7.44208. 7.44208, and that's approximately equal to, because we have to round off a little bit. All right. So I want you to pause. I want you to try the last one on your own, and then so pause the video, try the last one on your own, then see if you get the same answer I do. Pause. Okay, we're back. Let's see here. Our point of intersection down here is negative 48 over 13, comma 9 over 13, and our original point is negative 3, 7. So step 5, we've got negative 48 over 13 minus negative 3, so that's like a plus 3, squared, plus 19 over 13 minus a 7 squared. And again, we're just going to enter that all into the calculator all at once. So second, go up here, square root. So that's the squared key, but with a second function. You see the little blue thing there. And of course, again, notice how it opens up these parentheses. Everything needs to be wrapped up inside that set of parentheses. So we're going to have to open a second set of parentheses for this first expression right here. There we go. So we got negative 48 ABC 13 plus 3. And then we'll close out that set of parentheses right there. Squared plus 19 ABC 19 ABC 13, 19 over 13, minus 7. Close out that set of parentheses. Hit the squared button. And then remember, since we've got that big square root thing here, everything that's underneath that square root has to be wrapped up in a final set of parentheses. And if you do it wrong, you'll get some sort of error message. All right? Let's see. 5 point. So we got 5.58156. That's approximately equal to it. I just carried out to a bunch of decimal places. I don't recall that this problem said anything about rounding to a particular place. So, but I'm sure that if this were, like, say, a multiple choice, they would round it off sooner than this. So we can say if it were like 5.6, you'd know to put, well, this rounds off to 5.6. Okay. All right, well, I hope you got that answer. And good luck with the remaining 3 problems. Remember, you can still check all your answers and check your work if you go to the answer key page, because I've given fully worked out solutions for all of these problems. I know they're pretty difficult. All right, good luck.